Are you tired of paying more taxes than you need to? Want to know the secrets that could save your Florida small business thousands in 2025? Stick around because I'm about to reveal the top tax loopholes that could boost your profits and keep more money in your pocket. Florida is already a great state for businesses, but with these strategies, you'll understand why it's an even bigger goldmine for entrepreneurs. First up, the qualified business income deduction. This allows eligible businesses, like LLCs and sole proprietorships, to deduct up to 20% of their income. Imagine saving thousands just by structuring your business the right way. Do you work from home or use your car for business? You could deduct up to $1,500 for your home office and 72 cents per mile for your vehicle in 2025. Thinking about upgrading your equipment? With Section 179, you can write off the entire cost in the same year you purchase it. Perfect for growing businesses. Offer health insurance or retirement plans? Great news! These expenses are deductible and can cut your taxable income by up to 40%. Here's a quick case study. A Tampa-based startup saved $47,000 by combining the QBI deduction with other smart strategies like equipment write-offs and LLC tax advantages. If they can do it, so can you. Now that you know the top tax loopholes, it's time to take action. Don't leave money on the table. Talk to a tax expert and make sure you're using every deduction available. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with fellow business owners. Let's save some money together in 2025. Until next time, keep your profits high and your taxes low.